Nigel Moore here, and I've got a ridiculously exciting announcement for Tech Tribe members today. I saw recently that one of our tribal elders, Andrew Moon, had gone and created an amazing, high-level, high-quality workshop for MSPs to help them build out and map out their own growth engine in their MSP. And we all know that trying to get new clients is one of the biggest pain points that most MSPs or IT service providers have. And so when I saw it, I immediately thought, I want that for our tribe. And so Andrew and I negotiated, and I was able to license the entire workshop for members of our tech tribe, and I'm giving it to everybody for free, all included as part of your monthly membership or your membership. So nothing to charge, nothing to pay extra. However, you get access to the full workshop and along with the amazing workbook that he's created. And here is a quick little preview of it. This is kind of an overview, high level of what the workshop involves and all of this training and education around these things here. When you get into the platform, you go into the courses section and you'll be able to enroll and start in the workshop. And it is made up of a couple of modules filled with a bunch of lessons. All the lessons are nice, short, bite-sized content. You can see kind of 8 minutes and 7 minutes and 11 minutes. There is a business technology review template as one of the lessons down here in step 14 in module 3. This might change to module 4 in a minute shortly because we're going to split the lessons up. But whatever way it happens to be, it will look very similar to this when you get access to it. Now, just want to show you very briefly the quality of this thing is, as I said, like through the roof. And if I go into the first lesson here, which is to download your workbook, you get access to this 30-day growth map MSP workbook that he's created down here. And that workbook is this bad boy right here that you can see on my screen. It is awesome. It helps you go through figuring out your niche or niches that you're going to look after and the different characteristics of what that niche is about and why you should target them and how. Then it goes into how to target them. It goes into a whole pile of different stuff in here, including setting up some goals, figuring out the currencies that you're going to talk to your client in. Secret or hint, the currency that you talk to your clients in should not be the money currency most of the time. It should be other currencies because most of the time other currencies are what matter to your client. And your prospects out there. So this workshop is huge. This workbook is huge, and it's just the first lesson in this thing. Then you dive into the next lesson, which is a little video from Andrew on what to expect through the rest of the workshop, and then you dive into all of these lessons. So it is available right now. If you're watching this video, it's available right now inside the Tribal portal. Click on the courses button. You will find it. As I said, there is no extra charge for members. I have gone and purchased it for you. And if you're not in the Tech Tribe just yet, what the heck are you doing? Come on. That means this video is probably on YouTube or LinkedIn or Facebook or something. That's probably where you're seeing it. Go and click the button there or there or there. And come and join us in the tribe. It's literally pennies on the dollar each month to come and join us. We have no lock-in contracts, no terms. If you want to, you can go and join the Tech Tribe, get access to this workshop just on its own. Or you get access to everything in there, but get access to this thing, run through the entire workshop, get through it in a month, and click the cancel button, and it would have cost you literally $49. And if you think that we've ripped you off, you can ask for a refund, and we'll pay you not only a refund, we'll pay you even more to apologize for wasting your time. So if you're not in the Tech Tribe, come and join us. If you are in the Tech Tribe, get in there, smash the enroll button, and get yourself started. That's all from me. Bye for now.